Hello friends, once again welcome to all of you to the mysterious world. Whatever happens with us in our everyday life, we associate it with destiny, karma or fate. And in spite of all this, when we face any such event, which cannot be given any clarification or justification, then we give these incidents the name of twist of fate, luck or coincidence, and do not think much about that episode. We had told you earlier about some such incredible incidents and coincidences, whose link you will get in the description box below this video. We will tell you some stories by continuing the sequence of such coincidences in this episode, which will be hard for you to believe. So friends, let us begin today's episode with some incredible and amusing stories that will surprise you. Falling babies. In Detroit, the state of Michigan, in the year 1937, a lady was carrying her infant on her balcony on some of the top floors of that particular building. And all of a sudden, the baby got slipped out from the veranda. Luckily, a man named Joseph Figlock was taking a walk below the same building and the baby struck him on the head and shoulders. The tackling toddler was thankfully not killed. However, he and Mr. Figlock were both injured. After this episode, in the same city, the very next year, in 1938, a child was playing on the above floors of a balcony, and suddenly, he fell off that building while playing. But surprisingly, Joseph Figlock, the same person from the last year's similar incident, was taking a walk below the same building. Again, the baby fell over Mr. Figlock. Remarkably, once again neither the baby nor Mr. Figlock was killed. Was it just a coincidence that the same person was present twice in a place where the same incident is going to happen? Call it Joseph Figlock's fate or his bad luck. Somehow, he managed to keep himself and those babies alive. Hugh Williams. A ship sank in the Menai Strait off the coast of Wales in the year 1664. All 81 passengers died in that incident, except one. The name of that survivor was Hugh Williams. In the year 1785, another ship with 60 people aboard sank in the Menai Strait again. The only survivor was a man named Hugh Williams. In another incident in the year 1820, a third vessel sank in the Menai Strait once again. All 25 people aboard were drowned, except, you guessed it, a man named Hugh Williams. In the year 1920, a British trawler was destroyed by a German mine. In this explosion, only 2 men could survive. Coincidentally, they both shared the same name, Hugh Williams. What do you think for the level of coincidences followed by this name? Having the same name of all the survivors was just by chance or a deep mystery? It is hard to say, but somehow, the people sharing this name made it easy for them to survive the accidents on water. Twin tragedy. In 1975, a 17-year-old boy was killed while riding on his moped. He was killed exactly 1 year after his 17-year-old brother was killed while riding the same moped in the same intersection by the same taxi with the same driver carrying the same passenger. The twins Erskine and Neville suffered an unbelievable coincidence. On a daily basis, we come across many such facts, but this already seems very strange and hard to believe coincidence or a tragedy. The twin brothers were killed in a road accident at the age of 17 years, a year apart, while riding the same moped, by the same taxi, with the same driver, carrying the same passenger. The coincidence termed unbelievable and depressing. Royal coincidence. In the morning of 1864, in Monza, Italy, the ruler of King Umberto I reached a small restaurant with some of his friends. When the waiter came to take order, King Umberto found that the waiter has same face. Not only that, the birthday of that waiter also comes with Umberto's birthday, that is 14th March 1844. Both of them were born in the same city and both of them married the same name woman called Margareta. The series of coincidences did not end there. The same day, the waiter opened his restaurant on the day that King Umberto was crowned. On July 29, 1900, the news reached to King Umberto that someone murdered the waiter. When King Umberto went out to go to the funeral, someone even killed King Umberto on his way. It was such a coincidence that was related to parallel universe. It is very difficult to find out the reason of all these incidents, but as we come across such incidents, we get forced to think whether it was just a coincidence or an unsolved mystery. If you found this video interesting, please like and share this with your friends and do subscribe our channel. You can share your opinion with us through comments below. We'll meet you soon again with a new mystery. Till then, goodbye.